I got Pick 6 Sports Cards, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Open a box of 2005 Sweet Spot Football. Looking for the Aaron Rodgers. Alright, we'll make this quick, just search for the hits. And pretty much base. Base, and a no-name rookie. Mike Williams, rookie jersey. That was a good one back then, maybe. And there's the first one, Darren Sproles. That's actually a pretty good one. It's numbered 83/650. That's base. No, that's the other helmet. We'll save that. Brandon Browner, yeah, good rookie there. Just base. Just base. Just base. Once more. Yep. Here it is, the last helmet. Is he here? No, but it is Don Maynard. Not a bad one to get though. And I don't see a number. Looks like there might have supposed to be a number right there. Yep, either way, Don Maynard. Darren Sproles, the two hits, not too bad. Alright, come check out our website.